In this tutorial, I'll show you how to filter tables in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to filter data using Confluence databases and alternative options for standard tables. If you're using a Confluence database, open the page containing your database and click the Filter button at the top of the database view. Select the column you want to filter, such as status, owner, priority, or due date. Then choose a filter condition like is, contains, or is not, and enter the value you want to display. The database updates instantly to show only the matching records. If you frequently use the same filter, save it as a custom view so you can switch back to it anytime without recreating the filter. If you're working with a standard Confluence table, keep in mind that native tables don't include built-in filtering. To add filtering capabilities, you can convert your data into a Confluence database or install a table filtering app from the Atlassian marketplace, such as Table Filter and Charts for Confluence, which adds advanced filtering options to regular tables. Once you've applied your filters, save or publish your page so your team can access the updated view. That's how to filter tables in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.